Hello guys, my name is Bob. In this video, I'm going to show you the solution to the integration of ln x squared dx. But before I do so, if you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video so as to bring this video up to the top of the search and more people will get access to this video. So in order to solve this particular problem, we are going to use the technique called the integration by parts. The integration by parts technique tells us that if I were to let a particular term as u and the other term as dv, so this is equals to uv minus the integration of v du. So to find what is my v, I simply integrate dv, and to find what is my du, I differentiate u. So for this particular problem, I can transform ln x squared as 1 times ln x squared dx. So now I have two terms, and then I can let u be equals to ln x squared, and then my dv to be equals to 1 dx. So if I were to integrate dv, so which is equals to v, and this is equals to the integral of 1 dx, so this gives us x. Whereas u is equals to ln x squared, and if I differentiate u with respect to x, this gives us x squared in the denominator and 2x on top, which is equals to just basically 2 over x. Multiplying both sides by dx, we'll get du is equals to 2 over x dx. So we have u and v and dv and du. We can now use the integration by parts technique, which means we have my u as ln x squared and v as x, subtracting away the integral of v, which is x, and my du is 2 over x dx. We now simplify the integral. At the second term, we got the integral of 2 dx. So the integral of 2 dx is just basically 2x plus c. And this is my final answer to the integral of ln x squared. If you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video, and do consider to subscribe to this channel for more integration problems. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.